Have you ever wanted to try out one of those whiskey smoker kits? Well, today we're going to try one out. Let's go. So if you're not familiar, a whiskey smoker kit is a way to smoke your whiskey. Actually smoke it with wood chips just before you drink it. Put a bunch of smoke in the glass and add a bunch of smoky goodness to your drink. So we're going to try that out. And today we're going to try the Frams kit. Got this off of Amazon. It was like $30. And I've got another smoker also, which I think is a higher quality, but I'm going to do another video showing that one. First, I'm going to do this kit here. And this kit comes with 6 wood flavors. Let me put my eyeballs on here. 6 wood flavors. We got hickory wood. We got pecan wood. Apple wood. And we got some cherry wood and oak wood and mesquite wood. So, you know, and there's quite a bit in here. It's, you know, judging by the size of the smoker pit and how much you'd have to put in it, I'm thinking you'd get, you know, 4, 5, 6 smokes out of each one of these tins. So not bad if you ask me. Not bad at all. Let's put these back up. I'm pretty excited to try this one out. I've been wanting to try one of these for quite a while. And anyway, so I've had this thing a while. I just haven't got around to trying it. So it also comes with this torch. And it doesn't have any butane in it. And so I was going to fill it up, but I don't have any butane with me. So I've got this other torch that I'll be using. And I hope it's strong enough. I don't know, but we're going to try it. And here is the smoker. So it just consists of this, you know, puck, basically. And it's got this stainless steel mesh reservoir in it where you put the wood, and then on the bottom side it's got this chamber for the oxygen to come in, and it sits on top of the glass just like that. So let's give it a shot. All right, so I'm going to be using some potato bourbon that I made, and we're going to use one of the big globe ice cubes, and there's a reason for that I'll get right into here. Now they say that with these smokers it's best to leave ice on top. So I've got a big, about half of that ice cube is still exposed because the smoke is supposed to adhere to that ice and give you some more smokiness as you drink it. It'll kind of, you know, wash off of the ice into the whiskey. And so that's the idea. Now, since this is a potato bourbon, of course, we're going to have to go with pecan wood. You know, just to me, that sounds like that's going to go together. So I'm going to take out this little silica packet, and I'm just going to pack this up maybe about halfway. Yeah, halfway to 3/4 maybe. Oh yeah, you're going to get several more smokes than what I said earlier. I think I said maybe 6 or so. I think you're going to get more than that. So let me just put that much in there and let's give that a try. Yeah, 5 to 8 seconds. So let's just give it a go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi,
8 Mississippi, and then you're supposed to cover it. Yeah, see all that smokiness just falling in there, and you're supposed to give it 15 to 30 seconds. Let it sit like that. So that's what we're going to do. And it didn't get a lot of smoke in there. I would have thought, I mean, I've seen some, you know, advertisements for these, and it was quite a bit more smoke. I'm going to smoke it again. What do you say? Oh, that's the wrong one. All right, so it's been 30 seconds or so. Let's just pull that off. You can see the smoke in the glass. Oh, and you can really smell it once you pull that off. And I'm just going to swirl it around because I want that smoky flavor in the whiskey. All right, let's give this a shot. That's really good, really good, and I can taste that smokiness on my tongue. That's really good. I like it. Gotta have me another sip. That is really good. I do like that. I think it could stand a little more smoke, and I think maybe it's because maybe I just couldn't get it enough with this little lighter. I don't know, but I'll be doing another one. I'm going to do another video where I'm kind of going to do a side-by-side with this one and the other one. Let me just grab the other. So this one did not come from Amazon. This one actually came from American Oak Barrel Company. And I mean, when you open it up, you can already tell that it's a higher quality. It's got a dual chamber, which means it's going to be able to breathe easier, I think. And it's also, the wood and the flame are in this stainless steel chamber. They never touch the mesh. So, you know, where this kit from Amazon comes with this replaceable mesh because, you know, you're going to screw that mesh up because it's the wood and the fire are in direct contact with that mesh. With this one, it's not. So you're going to get a longer life out of this one for sure. And my suspicion is you're going to get a better smoke from it too. And we'll try that. Like I said, I'm going to do another video where I'm going to do these side by side. I'm going to compare them side by side. And the reason I want to is because let's just see what's the difference between this kit, which is like $30, much less expensive. It comes with all of these other, the oak and all that. And this, to get the smoker and then like 2 flavors of wood chips, I think it's like $45. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check that. But anyway, that's not for this video anyway. But I think you really will enjoy the added flavor that the smoke adds. I wasn't sure if it was just going to be gimmicky or not, you know, just a cool party trick. But it really does add some flavor, and I like it, and looking forward to trying some of these other woods to see if there's that much difference. Anyway, we'll see y'all next time.